mercies of the table. I can tell you're getting really sick of trying, but I think you're just mad you keep dying. You're not gonna win, we'll be here together, fighting in the judgment hall forever. I'm a you reset each time I beat ya, but always be right back here to meet ya. I know you're ready. This is where it stops, this is where it ends. If you wanna get past me, well you better try again. But no matter how I stall you, you don't give up your attack. Do you just like the feeling of your sins crawling on your back? Go ahead and try to hit me if you're able. You should know by now the mercies of the table. Think that you can try to spare me like I'm someone. Why you didn't spare my bread, let's all get done. Why you made my brains all disappear, but everything they cared about is why I'm here. I am the mercy, I am the vengeance, I am determination. I know you're late. But I think I'm stronger than you. I'm stronger than you. But I think I'm stronger than you.